U.S. Air Force equips A-10 land attack aircraft with new air refueling system to extend combat endurance. The U.S. Air Force has rapidly equipped the A-10 Thunderbolt II with a new aerial refueling capability, enabling it to take fuel from HC-130 tankers in response to an urgent combat requirement. Developed by the Air National Guard and Air Force Reserve Command Test Center, the probe refueling adapter expands the ways and locations where A-10s can refuel, directly increasing time on station and mission reach. This upgrade gives commanders greater flexibility in contested and dispersed environments where traditional tanker support may be limited or vulnerable. By unlocking access to additional refueling platforms, the A-10 can sustain operations longer, respond faster, and remain effective in high-threat scenarios where endurance and adaptability are critical. The capability was developed and validated within weeks through a coordinated multi-organization effort, culminating in a successful first refueling mission with an HC-130 tanker provided by the 418th Flight Test Squadron. This rapid integration directly enhances A-10 availability in forward theaters, where tanker compatibility constraints have limited sortie generation and operational reach. The A-10 Thunderbolt II, widely known as the Warthog, remains one of the U.S. Air Force's most effective close air support platforms, specifically designed for low-altitude operations and direct engagement of ground targets. Built around the GU-8, a Avenger 30mm cannon and capable of carrying precision-guided munitions, rockets, and bombs, the aircraft is optimized for high survivability operations in contested environments. Its ability to loiter over the battlefield for extended periods and deliver precise, responsive firepower continues to make it a critical asset for supporting ground forces. This operational relevance has been reinforced in real combat conditions during Operation Epic Fury, the ongoing U.S.-led campaign against Iran. Since the launch of operations in late February 2026, A-10 aircraft have been actively employed in close air support and maritime strike roles, targeting fast-moving ground threats and Iranian naval assets while maintaining persistent overwatch in the U.S. Central Command Area of Responsibility. These missions have demonstrated the aircraft's high efficiency in modern combat, particularly in scenarios requiring sustained presence, rapid target engagement, and coordination with joint and coalition forces. The introduction of the probe refueling adapter directly addresses a critical capability gap that emerged from changes in the U.S. tanker fleet. With the retirement of the KC-10 extender and ongoing limitations in KC-46 Pegasus certification, A-10 units have remained heavily dependent on KC-135 Stratotanker aircraft for boom refueling. This dependency-constrained mission planning reduced flexibility and reduced the availability of compatible refueling assets in certain operational theaters. The adapter converts the A-10's nose-mounted boom receptacle into a probe-compatible interface, allowing the aircraft to receive fuel via the probe and drogue method. This enables interoperability with HC-130 and other hose-equipped tankers, which operate at lower speeds and altitudes more compatible with A-10 flight profiles. These tankers are frequently deployed on combat search and rescue and special operations missions, making them more accessible in dynamic, austere environments where traditional tanker support may be limited. From a technical and operational perspective, the probe refueling adapter is designed as a field-configurable solution. It can be installed or removed by flight line personnel within a matter of hours, without requiring permanent structural modifications to the aircraft. This modular approach allows commanders to rapidly adapt aircraft configuration based on mission requirements, switching between boom and probe refueling as needed to maximize flexibility and responsiveness. The program was executed through close coordination across multiple Air Force entities and industry partners. An industry partner developed and manufactured the adapter, while the A-10 System Program Office ensured engineering compliance and airworthiness. ArcWorks facilitated accelerated contracting processes, significantly reducing acquisition timelines, and Luke Air Force Base contributed to the fabrication of supporting components. The 418th Flight Test Squadron provided the HC-130 tanker and crew to validate the system under operational conditions. According to AATC officials, the effort maintained full adherence to safety and technical standards despite the accelerated schedule, demonstrating that existing acquisition frameworks can be effectively compressed when operational urgency is clearly defined. This approach reflects a broader shift within the U.S. Air Force toward rapid capability development and fielding in response to evolving threats. The operational impact of this new capability is significant. By expanding the range of compatible tankers, the A-10 gains greater endurance, greater mission planning flexibility, and improved survivability in contested environments. The ability to refuel from HC-130 aircraft also enhances integration with air reserve component units and supports mission sets such as close air support and combat search and rescue, where coordination between platforms is critical. In the context of agile combat employment, the probe refueling adapter strengthens the A-10's ability to operate from dispersed and austere locations, reducing reliance on a limited number of high-demand tanker platforms. This contributes to a more resilient and adaptable force posture, particularly in scenarios where access to traditional refueling infrastructure may be degraded or denied. Beyond the A-10 platform, the success of this initiative highlights the strategic importance of rapid, multi-organization collaboration in delivering operationally relevant capabilities. UDEFENSE's role as a test and integration hub for the Air Reserve component demonstrates how existing structures can be leveraged to accelerate innovation and respond effectively to combatant commander requirements. As modern conflicts increasingly prioritize speed, flexibility, and adaptability, the rapid fielding of the A-10 probe refueling adapter demonstrates how targeted solutions can deliver immediate battlefield advantages. By extending the operational reach of a proven close air support platform actively engaged in current combat operations, the U.S. Air Force reinforces its ability to sustain air power effectiveness in complex and contested environments. The rapid integration of probe and drogue refueling further reinforces the U.S. Air Force's A-10 land attack aircraft's enduring role as a highly specialized close air support platform with few true equivalents in the U.S. Air Force inventory. While newer multi-role fighters offer advanced sensors and survivability, none combine the A-10's ability to deliver sustained, low-altitude precision firepower with extended battlefield presence and direct support to ground forces. In both current combat operations and future high-intensity conflicts, the aircraft continues to demonstrate a unique operational niche, underscoring why it remains one of the most effective dedicated land attack platforms in service worldwide despite ongoing modernization debates.